welcome to our episode 1 bird video. And yes, this is my birds. Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, hi, birds. Yeah, hi. Say hi in the camera. Say hi. Come on, say it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, you don't have to speak that. Anyways, this is gonna make a part 1 bird video again. No, not again. No, couple of episodes of my birds, I did it, and I didn't send the whole thing. This, and it's so cute and full of food stuff. Okay, get the food, water, and speak is so cute. And this one. But first, make it more better. Okay, there's. Okay. If you don't see that bird, it's yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a bird video. Yes. And also, guys, who is this? It's Stay. Yeah. You know that, guys? Yes. That bird. Look at the bird. So cute. This one. What is it doing? Bluebird. Look, just like a straight bluebird. It's a bluebird. It's a bluebird. Bluebird Street. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, wait, they're going to eat some food. They're on. Hey, bluebird. 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 Dude. Hey, bluebird. Scream. Hey, bluebird. I love the first Harry. Okay. Okay, bluebird. Go back to your tunnel. Bluey, go back to your tunnel. Bluey. Go back to your tunnel. Bluey, go back to your tunnel. Go back to your thing. Bluey, your friend's right there. Go back. Go back. Go back. Okay, Snowball. So I'll go back too. So I know what I'm gonna do. Yep. Yeah. Okay, anyways. This is messed up. The birds are back up. They're talking again. They can see out the window. Bluebirds see out the window. Look at the beautiful cars. And while it's eating. It's so cute. They can eat. They can. It's so cool. Next episode, I'm probably gonna let them out into play. I don't know. It's gonna be so hard to catch them, but I promise I will catch them. Yes, it's the bird videos, and yeah. Oh, this was fun, guys. This was fun, guys. This is our 2 birds, and thank you for liking, subscribing. Get to 50 subscribers. So goodbye, guys, and have a nice day. And see you in episode 2 of the birds. Do not fight. If you do it, I swear to God, if you do it, okay, good. Bye, guys.